Hey everyone, I wanted to jump on real quick to talk to you about something that I read from an assistant that posted something on one of the Facebook pages that I follow. And in reading her post, I can tell that she was a young assistant. Her question to the group was that she was new to her executive and she was told that she needed to travel with him. She had a few questions, and one was that she didn't have any travel experience, so she was looking for somebody to show her how to do it. So I sent her my video, How to Book Travel for Your Executive, so that should cover her concern there. Her second question is what alarmed me. She asked when she travels with her executive, does she get her own room? And as you can imagine, all the responses she received from that question. Let me tell you, no matter the gender, woman or man executive, you always get your own room. You never share a room with your executive. And there are many reasons why. Let me share the most damaging to your safety and to your job security. One, if it gets back to your office that you and your executive shared a room, it can be seen as sexual harassment, either on the part of your executive or on your part. HR would get involved as well as legal, depending on the status level of your executive. Second, it can be seen as an opportunity for advancement on your part, also known as quid pro quo. And if you've never heard that term before, it means something for something. And that can be damaging to your professional image, or they can terminate your employment if you violate any company policies. And third, you put yourself in a situation that threatens your personal safety. You don't know how the executive is going to act inside of a hotel room while you're alone with them. And it may be a worse situation if there's drinking involved. So don't put your safety in jeopardy for any reason, no matter who tells you that you have to share a room with your executive. No, you don't. I thought that this was an important topic to share for anyone who has the exact same question as this young assistant did. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care.